How to market online coaching. Let's be honest for a second. You don't really know how to market your online coaching, or you're struggling with your marketing efforts and you're not really sure why. In this video, I will show you the best ways to market your online coaching business. Welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Many nutrition coaches struggle with feeling confident even outside marketing their coaching business. So on my channel, I help them gain trust in themselves so they can transform the health and lives of others, allowing them to build a successful nutrition coaching business. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure that you subscribe. So the real question behind how to market your coaching business is how to get clients online. And often that even means how to get started with coaching. And especially when you're new to coaching, there are so many open questions that you feel that you need before you can actually start coaching. Or maybe you're looking for a way to level up your efforts. You're already attracting a couple of clients, but the number of clients is very inconsistent. Some weeks are a lot of clients, other weeks you don't really have any clients at all. And the sign-up process and everything is not really figured out yet. So you're looking for a way to be more consistent so you can actually feel confident that coaching can support your life. So think about this video as a progressive overload training. Every single step will challenge you more and more, and it means your business grows more and more. So we will talk about defining your coaching business, structuring your business, how to create a great coaching experience, marketing your business, how to get more clients online, and building and growing your coaching business over time. And every single step you can find in the timestamps below. So the key really is here to focus on where you are. When you're in the beginning, use the first couple of steps to get started and get building. If you're a little further ahead, challenge you and get better and get more consistent and build a solid foundation on which you can build your coaching business and keep it growing. Throughout this video, you will see a lot of YouTube buttons. Every single time you see this button, there's a link in the description with a more in-depth instructional video. So this video is more a roadmap, and every single link in the description dives deeper into a specific topic so you can find the right video for you and dive deeper and grow and continue with your business. Also, make sure that you watch the video all the way until the end, because I will share one of the most underrated strategies to grow a coaching business, even if you have just one client. Let's define your coaching business. We start at the beginning, and that means setting up your coaching business. That includes the mindset and how to name your business, the tools that you need, and much more. And as I just mentioned, there's a complete video on how to set up your coaching business in the description below. From there, we have to identify the niche, the group of people that you want to focus on. That is so important so you can actually focus on social media content and how to present yourself as a coach so it resonates with your ideal clients, with the people that you want to work with. And it also means you need to find your 1% uniqueness factor, how you can stand out in a crowd of online coaches. And I've created a video, and again, the link is in the description below, with practical strategies on how to stand out and how to be unique in an authentic and effective way. Once you have defined your coaching business, the next step is to structuring your coaching business. And the key here first is to create a coaching package that sells. It means you create something that your clients want, but also something that supports you and potentially your family. So you have to make sure that you charge enough so you can actually live from your coaching. From there, then you can go onto Instagram and build your coaching business on Instagram. So you don't need a website, you don't need a huge following or ads at all. You can start with social media. And I have a video, again, in the description below with some very practical, easy steps on how to get the first few clients, even if you don't have any clients yet. Now that the organizational stuff is done, we have to focus on creating an amazing coaching experience. And it's so important because if you create an amazing experience, your clients will stay with you for longer, but they will also talk more about you. And talking about you means more referrals, more people know about you, more followers. So creating something amazing that the clients want to talk about and that they want to have in their lives is crucial for long-term success. And that means you have to figure out how to have great first coaching sessions, how to establish the trust and the connection with the new client while also providing them with enough guidance so they can get started. It also means that you regularly follow up and check in. Are they still on track? How can you adjust the action plan so they keep on progressing? And a crucial part in this process are client check-ins, where you keep track of your clients between sessions. And the key here is that you always know what is currently going on, so the next time you see a client in a session, you are prepared. And preparation also means that you know how to motivate your clients. Helping someone change is difficult enough. So really understanding what strategies to use and how to use motivational interviewing in a way that it allows clients to change and giving them the guidance and the framework to make their own change decisions is crucial. And again, there's a video in the description below on how to use motivational interviewing for weight loss. And if you want to bring your coaching experience to a completely new level, I highly recommend that you check out my free coaching session preparation kit. It's a 7-hour video course handmade for nutrition coaches that teaches you everything from the first coaching session over the check-in sessions on how to create a check-in form, and also I talk about referrals and testimonials and sales conversations. Everything includes checklists and supports material that helps you go into coaching sessions with more confidence, knowing that you provide a great experience for your clients and they are happy. So if you're interested in that, check out the link in the description below. Now, what is the key to consistently getting clients online? And the key is to start social conversations. Social conversations often begin with posts. You simply post what you're eating and why you're eating that, or tips on shopping or mindset tips. Everything that gets people engaged so you can start the conversation. And often the strategy is then to follow up with them in their DMs. So then you have a private conversation, you understand what they want, and then you invite them for a free consultation. And if you want to learn how to turn social conversations into new clients, again, there's a link in the description below where I go into this process step by step. And that includes building solid skills in getting clients. So you have to learn how to have successful sales conversations or discovery calls, whatever you want to call them. And the first part is having a clear structure and approach to these calls. So you're not just winging it, but you have a clear idea of what you're going to do in each step. And again, there's a full video in the description below on how to do that. And in my coaching session preparation kit, there are tools and scripts around sales conversations that will help you feel more confident and be more successful because you know what to do in every single step. Now that you're getting consistently new clients, it's time to level up. And consistently getting new clients means that your message is down. You know how to communicate with your ideal clients so they are interested and they want to book a sales conversation with you. And the first step then is to build a coaching website yourself. A website that you can direct people to that does the selling for you because you're very precise in what you're saying about your coaching that convinces people to sign up. You also want to use a lead magnet, something that you send the client in exchange for their contact information. And the key here is to continue the conversation. Again, coaching is all about relationships. So by them giving you their contact information, you can use email marketing to stay in contact, to send them additional tips, to follow up how they're doing with their lead magnet, with their free tips that they downloaded from you. And you can invite them to another free consultation so they can talk about how to best use the lead magnet, or maybe even sign up for a coaching session with you. And all 3 steps, building a coaching website, creating a lead magnet that your clients want to download, and a convincing and high-performing email marketing campaign, everything is a video in the description below. And lastly, I promised you the most underrated strategy for long-term success: retention, testimonials, and referrals. Think about it. Retention means your current clients want to stay longer with you. It means they are happy with you. They want to work with you. So you don't need to have free consultations and posts on social media. So that's why retention is such a critical long-term success strategy. But testimonials are as important because they are the kind of content that convinces new people to work with you. Think about it. Testimonials are on the same level as a personal recommendation. And if you want to get personal recommendations, if you want to get referrals, I have a video in the description below on how to ask clients for referrals, so you can check it out.